Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the tablet. Free up at least 5 GB of space and clear the Roblox cache so the game can load assets faster. Once done, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal and move closer to the router to cut latency. Make sure to close all background apps in recent apps and disable auto start for any heavy processes. This immediately frees RAM and CPU headroom for Roblox, so the first frame drops are reduced. You now tune both Roblox and Fire OS. Open Roblox settings and switch graphics mode to manual, then drop quality to the lowest option to reduce GPU load. Next, disable textures, shadows, and particle effects so the game renders simpler scenes. This cuts frame time significantly. Then, in Fire settings, turn off automatic updates, syncs, and any scheduled backups while you play. That prevents background I/O spikes that cause stutter. Once the game feels smoother, keep these profiles for future sessions. You finish by rebooting the tablet to clear lingering processes and then relaunch Roblox. If issues persist, reinstall the app to ensure a clean install. Test performance in a low asset game to establish a baseline. Make sure your network is dedicated. Use a wired hotspot or reduce other device bandwidth on the same network, because packet loss or high latency shows up as in-game lag. If none of this helps, consider a factory reset as a last resort. It fixes deep software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.